In this video, I want to talk about the number one killer of breakup recovery processes that I've seen over my years as a relationship coach. My name is Coach Adrian. I help individuals like you repair broken relationships. Individuals who are coming out of a breakup and who want to rebuild a new and improved relationship. And over the years, I have seen mistakes happen again and again and again. Individuals who have put in so much work, who have been so diligent about mapping out their process and taking steps along the way, only to sabotage everything, there's no other word to put it, because of one silly, stupid mistake. And I wanted to raise awareness and to share this with you in this video because I don't want you to make the same mistake. So what is this number one cause of breakup recovery killer? It is alcohol. Alcohol. I have seen so many individuals work so diligently for so long only to get drunk or to drink too much, to lose control and start doing, saying, or sending things that they should not be sending. This is a process of personal transformation, of growth. We are trying to minimize mistakes in order to showcase new patterns. In some cases, I should say, we're trying to earn trust and surprise our significant other. And you don't want to throw it all away because of one night of partying and losing control and not being in your right state of mind to be able to have a firm grasp on what to do, what to say, what to send. And unfortunately, so many clients, individuals that I hold very dearly close to my heart, have, at the end of a process of several months, even sometimes, made a mistake of losing control and really taking a massive step back as a result of this. And so if you are in this planning step, if you are building your roadmap and thinking about ways by which you can reconnect with your significant other to create a new and improved relationship, I really, really want to raise your level of consideration and attention around this issue of drinking alcohol. Alcohol is actually the only drug that you have to justify not taking in a social setting. Most people in this culture anyway don't understand why you would choose not to drink, and you are often asked directly or indirectly to justify why it is that you choose to not drink. But you know that you're on a mission, and you know that you are trying to do everything that you can to achieve the goals that you've set. And you're not going to let peer pressure or society affect that process. You're going to be strong and you're going to be resolute, and you're going to do everything that you can to maximize your chances of success. And so you're not going to go beyond what you know to be right in order to maximize your chances of reaching that goal. I am not telling you this as a means of trying to suppress your freedom or to tell you how you should be having fun. I'm giving you this piece of insight based on what I have seen over the years from the field, experience of individuals just like you who had put blood, sweat, and tears into a process that was derailed because of excessive drinking. And so really, I plead with you to pay attention to that as you are embarking on this journey. And I will ask some of you watching this video who have made mistakes either during the relationship or after the breakup because of alcohol to share your story. Leave in the comment section the mistakes that you've made because of excessive drinking that you know you would not have made if you had not been intoxicated. Please be open and be vulnerable. This is a safe space, and this is a community where we're encouraging learning from one another to help each other reach our goals. And you'll see that in many cases, relationships end because of alcohol. Marriages dissolve because of alcohol. People are unable to earn their partner's trust again because of alcohol. And people keep making the same mistakes over and over and over again because of alcohol. So if you are really committed to making this work with your significant other, if you don't want to relive the pain that you lived at the time of the breakup, do yourself a favor and really commit to doing this process the right way and to staying in control of your actions and emotions along the way. That is my advice to you. My name is Coach Adrian. You are fighting the good fight, and I thank you for taking the time to listen to this video and to seek to apply what you've learned here to your breakup recovery. As always, more than ever, thank you for fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video.